Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to fix TikTok Shop not working. So basically, if TikTok Shop doesn't work on your account, that means that you probably are not in a country where this feature is available. So as you can see, this option is available in these countries here. So we have the UK, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, Singapore, and US. So you're gonna have to be in one of these countries and create an account based in one of these countries, and then you're gonna fix this problem. Now, if you are not in these countries, you can simply buy a SIM card from there. So you can basically buy it online, and after that you'll have to simply enter the SIM card in your phone, and basically that's all you have to do. Of course, you'll have to create a new account, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.